so they mock it. Hated what they can't understand, they illiterate. The truth is my proof, I ain't gotta be considerate. Nah, feelings ain't really my concern when it's slow burn. Pressure love, try pulling up and it'll be your turn. No sir, you never any competition. Go first, try to test us or just stop bitching. Let's go. The beat set to me, courtesy of Wilma G. Killing all these fucking Philistines that kill my feet. Still a king, chopping off their head like a guillotine. Still a queen, now she not your lover like Billie Jean. So aggressive when delivering my message. I don't need your respect, I don't beg for acceptance. Cause I take what I need, I never ask for permission. Make it classic, records nigga class in session. Let's go.